booked it right already. We'll see it later. They booked it right. 3,000 rupees. If they want to pay it online means let use my card and pay it. They will adjust it. Yeah. Huh? They will not ask you money actually. They will adjust from the point itself. Tuesday at what time? देख लो 10 o'clock में flight is there. Vijay, I think only Bipin and Dipti, you both are there.
No, I'm here.
Oh
too. I'm
yeah.
here too.
Yeah, Vijay also there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now we want Teja and Yubang. Let me try one more time. Teja?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah, you are there. Fine. So we missed out Yubang. Okay. I think we'll start the class here. Four to nine.
Venkat, can you just check that repository we created last time?
Okay.
You're getting it. I'll open it.
You are opening online. Is it online? Yellow icon.
So this is the error we are getting. It says it is dependent on yearly.
Pardon? Dependent.
That is the error.
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, this
Abu
is
Bang is here.
Ubong.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm fine.
One second. Okay.
I removed those extra keys also. When I deleted the keys, these joins got lost. I mean, they also got deleted.
Okay. Okay.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it will be hard. Who is it? Somebody else is trying.
I'm not trying it.
Guys, please. Yeah, I'm done with it. What? Too much.
Yeah, I was able to detect that error, and then this warning was my problem.
That is a warning.
Yeah, it's consistent. I think. Can you try it out deploying this one?
Yeah, the only difference I saw between you and me doing was when I was creating the physical diagram, right, Venkat?
Hmm.
I selected all starting from sales till times.
No, actually, what is the difference is I asked you to delete the keys here. You deleted here.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Deploy this RPD and check it out.
Okay. We'll do it later. I mean, we'll go with the session
Cool. Yeah.
because at least we know what is the issue now. So. and we have done it twice.
Okay, fine. So today we don't have work with this RPD, so we'll close it out. Today we are going with this presentation variable. What is presentation variable and why we'll use a presentation variable? We already have this particular repository variables, still why we require presentation variables. That is our topic today, and we will take one use case and execute that. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you that why we require presentation variables. For example, I am a developer actually, but I'm a technical guy who is developing the reports, but I don't have access to my RPD, right? I cannot give the access to the administration tool for the users, right? In the real time. So they can change the tables, they can change the joins, so that may cause the problem for the already existing reports. So what I will do, I will just restrict the users to come and access to my administration tool, so they cannot be able to create the repository variables and they can be using it, right? So what we need to do is, like, we need some variable where that I can create it in the web level and use it for my reporting purposes, and use the particular variable in multiple scenarios. So I can develop the variable here and I can use the variable here itself in the web level. No need to go and do the variable in the like administration tool. This is my agenda here, something like that. So that is the purpose of the presentation variable, and where we will create the variable right now. That is the question is, and
Yep.
how the
Then why do the users need to have access to variables? I mean, they just have to view the reports, right?
yeah, some of the users will have to build their own ad hoc reports on daily basis.
Okay.
Okay. So what they wanted to do, they wanted to build their reports. So to build the reports, actually what they wanted to use, they want some variables for some scenarios. Like they can be using that variables as a filters. They can be using that variables for switching the reports. So in that case, so they wanted to build the reports. They want to build the variables, right? So what is the difference between this? What is the difference between the repository variables and this presentation variable? Repository variables will be declared at, like, they will be declared at RPD level, and it will be passing the value by initializing some string or a hard-coded value. Static means hard-coded, dynamic means it will be getting the value from database by firing the SQL query. But what is the specialty of this presentation variable is, presentation variable value can be passed at the runtime by the user itself. We can change the values, we can pass the values by user defined. So that is the purpose of presentation variable, and why we how to now next agenda is we'll see that how we'll create the presentation variables. Do you have any doubts here why the presentation variable is required?
Yeah.
What is the doubts? Hello?
No, no doubt.
No doubts. Oh, cool. So now we have a couple of areas where we will be creating the presentation variables. Morely we'll just we'll create the presentation variables by default in the dashboard prompts, and whatever the value that you selected in the prompt will pass to the variable and in the runtime. You have an idea with the dashboard prompts, right? How the dashboard prompts will be. It will be drop down list or checkbox or text box. You'll give some input to run the reports, right? Is that true?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever the input they have given to the dashboard prompt, that value will be passed to the presentation variable. So let us take that what is the use and let us create one presentation variable and see it. First of all, let me see that is there any reports that we have built already. We have a detailed report, right? Says detailed report. Let me edit that report. Oh, what's the problem?
No, we must be referring to a different repository.
Okay. So let me build one new report then. Dipti, can you build some sample report actually?
Yeah, which one you want?
Anything. Just give a sample.
Yeah. I'm done.
Okay, fine. You have taken month ID and amount sold, right?
Yes.
Okay, let us save this report as detailed report. Please save the report as detailed. Something like monthly detailed report. Okay, now you go to the home page and just create one dashboard, sample dashboard.
What did you say?
You go to home page and create a dashboard. Guys, you are following it, right?
Sorry, somebody else.
Yes, ma'am.
Where do you go to create that new dashboard? Oh, hang on.
Let me copy that name actually, close it and show it in one more time.
Home.
From where?
Home page,
Oh, okay.
analysis, there is side by analysis, there is a dashboard, right?
Yeah, I seen it. I got it.
Cool. Please paste it like just drag and drop your report, detailed report. It's already done, right?
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah, can you run it? What happened? Not came?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Okay, I'll try to do it again.
Must you give it the same name that you used to create the report?
First you save it and run it.
Okay.
Okay, now you run it. Pardon,
Okay.
someone is asking some question actually.
Yeah, I said, must you give it the same name you used for to save the report?
If you give the same name, it will be easy to match the dashboard with the report. That's it.
It's not mandatory to give the same name, but what she feels is if you give the same name, it is very easy to identify that this particular dashboard has these reports.
Because I tried to do is telling me the path not found.
Path not found. No. It's not that issue actually. You can give different name as well.
Yeah, the
Might be that report has been deleted or something folder has been deleted. Then it will show the path errors. Okay, this is done, right? Just go to the home page and create one prompt called prompt and monthly ID, physical month ID.
can't only if I remember it.
Yeah, if you go to the more option, yeah, fine. Now what we have done? We have created one detailed report and then we are place the detailed report in dashboard. Now we are coming to create dashboard prompt, right? Just click on the plus symbol with the green plus symbol, column prompt. Select from the times and just select that column.
Still month ID.
Choice list is fine actually. Just here, just 1 second. Wait for a minute. Okay, let us take this prompt. Just edit it. Here we are going to create a presentation variable. Here there is an option called the options. Okay, and here if you come here, set variable, right? In the drop down box, we will be having a presentation variable, and this presentation variable we have to give some default value whenever you not passed any value, right?
Detailed value.
Then it will take this default value. Let me give it as a 0000.
Okay.
Click OK, right? And now what is the presentation variable name I have given?
Name is.
Oh, sorry, not default value. This is name actually.
No.
Okay. P var presentation variable underscore.
Oh.
Okay. P var underscore
Month.
month month. And just to copy this name, it's very important because we need to use the same. Oh, what happened? Copy that name.
Yeah.
Copy it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then save it. Give the name. Click OK. And come to our dashboard. What is our dashboard we created?
Monthly sales.
Right.
Yeah.
This is our dashboard. Read the dashboard. Read here.
So, period. Month. Better. Okay.
Save it. Run it. Select some value.
Okay.
Does it change?
No,
What is the part missing here?
we need to tie up both. I mean, we need to connect the report with the ID.
Right.
With the field.
But still, what I feel is, I don't want to type it. I want to use the presentation variables to pass the values, right?
Yeah.
So what will go to here? We'll go here and go to monthly and pass the
Amount sold?
sticker. Sorry, I'm giving an amount, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think like prompted or something we'll be having some option or something.
Yeah, here previously it was prompted. Now we are using the presentation variable, right?
Yeah.
So what I will do? Add options,
Presentation variable.
presentation variable. Where is it? Last one, right? Presentation variable,
Give the name.
and the name should be the same as the presentation variable name, and default values will give it as 4 zeros. Okay.
Yeah.
If you run it, it will not run because we haven't passed the value, right?
Correct. Correct.
So it's not running. So let me save this report and go to the dashboard.
Monthly sales.
Monthly sales. Does it running?
No.
No. With the default value is 000. It's not running.
Now you see.
So if I take something here,
Okay.
try it.
Yes.
Connect.
Yeah.
So we are passing the value on the fly runtime using the presentation variable to your reports, right?
And okay, so the dynamic variable what we used to use was like we have even that is I mean what is the difference between the prompted the dynamic variable in this one? Even there we'll select it from the drop down only, right?
Yeah, you will be selecting from the drop down itself. The prompt will filter the data in the reports. Okay. Under the prompt section, right? If you use the presentation variable, it will pass the values to all the reports which are under the prompt or not. Got it?
No.
Cool. So for that actually we'll take one more scenario here. We'll see how the presentation variable works.
We said no.
Yeah, that's what actually to
Okay.
understand. We'll take
No,
one
you
more
said
scenario.
no, so I thought you understood. You thought we understood this stuff.
Okay, fine. What is the scenario? We'll take it up. Mm, channel 1, channel report. Okay, we'll take one scenario here. For example, I will be having one report. I have two reports here. Okay, two reports. What I want to do is I wanted to just to give a drop down list of the two reports. Whatever the reports I selected, it should show me the same report, and the remaining second report should be hidden. You got the scenario?
Can you explain once more?
I have a two different reports under the same section. Okay, different sessions actually. Report 1 and the another one will be there, report 2. In the drop down list, I'll select the report 1 name. Then it should show only report 1 and remaining report should be hidden. If I select the report 2 name in the prompt, actually it should, what it should do? It should hide the other report and show the report that has been selected. Switching the reports by using the presentation variable. Got it?
Okay.
So now we have one report is there. What we want? We want other report, right?
Yes.
So what we will do is just to open this report and just change the columns and duplicate the, just duplicate it report. Save it as one more report. Now you have time ID here. Let us take some year ID here. So this is one report, that is another report. Let us save it as yearly. Yearly. We have two reports right now, right? Let me go to the dashboard and place the second report. What happened? Okay, this report is not modified.
Did, did you save it, Venkat?
Yeah, I saved it, right? This is the report. If you see here, this is my one report and this is my second report, right? Now let me remove that filter and see. Show you. This is my first report and this is my second report, right? This is my second report. What is my concept is, if I wanted to select a report name from here, this might be referring as a report name. If I selected report name here, then it should show me the first report only. If I selected the second report, then it should show me the second report. We have to switch the reports based on the, depends upon that the value that you selected, because my dashboard is having 30 reports. My user doesn't want to go and check for all the reports and find it out what report he wanted to take it out. He wanted to select the choice of report names from the drop down list, and then whatever the report that he has been selected should be displayed here, other rest of the report should be hidden it. You got it? You understand it now?
Yes.
Yes. Venkat, can we create the variable to select either of these reports?
Right. Now what is the variable that we need to create is report name, right?
Right.
So let us go and create a dummy column here. To do that report name, actually what we need to do, we need some prompt, right?
Yeah.
Let us go and edit the existing prompt itself. Before going there and editing the existing prompt, please copy this report names, right? Write it and can you please type it on some notepad? Exactly report names. Cool. Now what we are going to do, we'll just use this prompt itself. Read the prompt. (1720.00 1720 1721). We'll use those two values. And here, if you go here, let us write a simple case statement here to make it as a dummy values, because we need to display the report names, right? What is the number? 17 20. Then what I need to display is first report name.
Venkat, the name should be yearly. I have put
Yearly.
it this
Yeah.
year.
I'll change it.
Yearly only, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alias table name. Okay. Let us save this one. And the variable name is equal to p underscore var month, right? P var month. Let us copy that one. And now let me create one sample report, like intermediate reports, because I need to pass the values to intermediate report, and intermediate report result returns the result. Then what I need to do, I need to show the report, right? So let us make some amendment here, small amendments. Let me do it first, then you will be understanding.
You didn't close it.
What is this? Is that right? Let us name it as int1.
You did not close the braces.
This one, right? Okay, fine. Okay, son, this time is equal to so. No, it's right. What is this? Here, yearly, yeah?
It should be
Yes.
yearly.
Is it right?
Yes. It's still showing the old one.
Still showing?
Showing the old one, right? 1720. Oh, okay. We need to change it. Okay.
Now I'll save it as.
Change it to.
Cool. Saved. Now what is the turn? We want to go to the dashboard here. Okay. We'll go back to dashboard. We have two sessions here. There is an option called in session guide and navigation. That is a take it as condition. And here let us filter, browse the analysis, go to training. What happened? Training. Okay. Shared folders, training. We have two folders. Let's take it as int1. Be greater than 0. Condition. Test it. False. Okay. That will be false always. And if you go to here, second session. Okay. What is the bad thing here is both are in the same session. I don't like this. Condition. Browse this. Browse it. Shared folders. Training. int2. Click OK. Save it and run it. Now you are not able to see anything, right? Now let me select monthly and apply. Your monthly report is coming. Okay, one that is not passed. Second report is hidden, right? Now let me change it to yearly. Got it?
Oh my God,
We
when you
got
show
it
the steps.
practically.
Pardon? I'm able to hear multiple voices.
Yeah, me and Tej.
Yeah, yeah.
Theory we got it. Practical we need to do it again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, even I had the same thing. We need to know the steps once again.
Okay. You got the theory. You are stuck with the practicals, and let us go with the other people. Actually, Bipin, have you got the theory? Practicals? Anything?
Actually, I think I got the theory. I need to do the practical one more time.
Mm-hmm. Bijay?
Yeah, my laptop died, so I got disconnected for first 5 minutes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go over it one more time.
Okay. Yubang?
Yeah, I think I followed, but it's just moving too fast for me to. So I guess I'll need to practice it on my own.
Okay, cool. Okay, let me explain the concept one more time.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll go through what we have done. Then someone of you can take it up and do it one more time. Okay, fine. What is the concept is, we want to use the presentation variables in the reports, which can be built or create online without going to your administration tool. This is useful for the users who are creating the ad hoc reports based on their daily request. Okay, the reports, the users who wanted to create their own reports and save it in their folder and see the results on daily basis by changing the different values. So what we need to do is, we need to create a presentation variable. What is our scenario is, a particular dashboard is having 30 reports like this. This is one report, and if you come to here, this is another report. Now we have two reports here. Like that we have 30 reports. Right. Now what happened actually? Both the reports. We got both the reports because we selected both the things, right? So that is our concern actually. Users from there, they are coming and asking that the BA developers, like, why we want to go through these 30 reports, because we don't want those 30 reports at one time. We want only a single report or two reports or three reports at a time. but still I cannot create a number of pages like this, right? Here on page I cannot create 30 reports, means 30 into 3 divided by 30, 10 pages for the particular one dashboard page. So what is my concern is I want to limit the users or give the users facility to select the reports and display the reports what they wanted. Got it? Are you clear with the requirement?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes.
Bijay, Bipin, Yabang,
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
right? So now my concern is like how I need to do this actually. That is my concern is. So we are framing a something solution, some kind of solution like to make the dynamic selection of the reports. Now before there is an option that we can dynamically select the values. So we need to use the same functionality, and now we need to pass the values to switch the reports instead of values in the report, right? Before what I am doing, I am selecting some value in the monthly ID and it is filtering the particular month ID in the report level, right? Displaying the data what I have selected in the prompt.
Right.
Now what I want to just I want to improvise that, not the values. I want to select the totally the reports. So what I need to do is I have little bit improvised it. I just wanted to use the presentation variable instead of prompts, because if you wanted to filter the values in the prompt, values in the report, you can be passed as is prompted value and then pass the value to the particular filter, right? Particular report. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to next level, high level, that I wanted to pass the filter to report itself. So what I want is prompted value it will not work for this scenario. So I want some alternative here. So I went for presentation variables. What I have created first I have created the two detailed reports, report 1 and report 2, which I need to display it. Second thing what I have created, I created a prompt value, and in the prompt value what I have written the case statement is, if particular so-and-so value is equal to this, then the report 1 name, and if so-and-so value is equal to this, A, so let us call it so-and-so value is nothing but A. If the value is equal to A, the report 1, and the value is equal to B, report 2. That is the case statement I have written in the prompt, right? Then what it is showing? It is showing that both the values are coming and the A and B values are coming, so it is showing the both the values. So what is my concern is how to hide the reports. Now I am getting the values in the prompt, but if I select something like A report, then B report should be hidden, and if I select the B report, A report should be hidden, right? That is my other requirement. For that what I have written is I have created a two
Session connection.
no I have created two intermediate reports, right? INT reports, and make that actually the INT reports, one report should always return the value report A, and the other report INT2 will return always the value is equal to report B, right?
Okay.
And then when I come to session level, actually what I have done here is, here what I have given it, I have given a filter for the particular session condition. If the particular report returns the value greater than 0, then highlight the session, otherwise hide the session. Up to here you are clear?
Yes.
Now what happened here is the final agenda here. Actually if I selected monthly A, that is A report,
Then it will be greater than 0 and rest all will be equal to 0.
right?
Hide
The
the-
INT report 1 will be returning the data 1 record and B will be 0 records, right?
Yes,
If I selected B1 B report, what happens?
A will be 0.
A will be 0 and B will be returning one value.
Yes.
So based on that I am switching my reports, right?
Yes.
Now you got the clarity?
Yes.
This is what this is like some kind of modifications we have done recently, so I have given this example for you. So someone else like now I think Deepti you are clear, right? You can do one more time.
Yeah, I can do it.
Guys, please follow Deepti. If you have any questions, please stop me over there. I'm Deepti as well. and we'll just discuss about this. What is the question and just answers, and then we'll go forward. Are you okay with this?
Yeah.
Cool. Now you got the logic right, at least oral logic. It might not be the technical term, actually orally what we are doing.
Yes.
Bipin Bijay Yubang.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm
Yeah.
cool.
That's
I'm
fine.
cool.
cool. Yeah. So, Deepthi, can you please start with the new dashboard, please?
I'm first generating the, okay. Report we need to generate and then create the dashboard and copy it, right?
Yeah, sure. You can please use the different columns, please. Now.
Yeah, week, I used week.
Week and you use the quarter, okay?
Yeah.
Cool.
It is not coming.
You have given the folder instead of session.
Hmm?
You have given the folder, I think so. Oh, report is not coming here.
Hmm.
You have to save it in the shared folder. You saved it in my folder. Catalog. If you go to catalog, right, actually you have to save it in the shared folder, under shared folder. You might be saved it in the shared folder. There is two training folders are there. A little bit I was confused last time.
See?
Here you saved it.
No.
You saved it here?
Yeah, see, it is coming right weekly, so.
Then why it's not coming? There, right?
It is there, but it's not coming, it's not giving any data.
Uh,
Folder one.
You saved it as a dashboard page. Can you save it as a report here, please? That is a dashboard page actually. This is a dashboard page, it is not report. I think wait, you have saved it in my folder only. I'm thinking the same thing. While creating you have overwritten something, right?
Yeah.
Might be you have overwritten this page. Otherwise it might be a different report, we have to check it out.
Can I delete that?
Yeah,
This one?
you can delete it, but you have to create one more time.
Yeah, that's okay. It will take 2 minutes.
Okay, delete it.
Yep. Done. So I'll create another one. I'm lost.
Which screen are you? Prompts?
Yeah.
Write the case statement here. No?
Week number. Oh, I don't.
You would have 1 or 2.
Should I write the other one also here or just this one?
Yeah, write the other one as well because it should give the both the values, right? Done.
Yeah.
Let us check the values. It's coming correctly or not. We're getting values. Okay, save it.
Saved it.
What happened? Are you tired or what?
No, I saved it.
Saved it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Your voice is very dull actually.
I'm not able to recollect the next step, so I'm thinking.
Okay, fine. What is the next step? INT1, INT2 intermediate reports, right?
Yes.
Then do it.
Mm, I hope I'm doing it. We took week number, right?
Oh,
Yes.
first write the case statement and then give the filter condition.
Okay.
Week number is equal to 0, 1, then report name. Finally end. Give the filter, please. Validation variable and provide the name.
Now I have to go to the dashboard page and from the wheels. Now I have to form the sections, right? No, not this. I have to create a new dashboard page or what?
Yes, I think.
Yeah. Mm,
No, not required for new dashboard actually. Just 1 second.
okay.
This is your dashboard page, right?
Mm,
You need to create one more report, right? To switch the reports.
correct. So I'll
Yeah.
edit.
Already created, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let us do here.
Yeah, now I remember.
Okay, do it then. In the top section,
Yeah.
what you need to place? You need to place the prompt, right? What you created,
Yeah.
right? In the first section, just give the filter, right? Condition. Here, yeah. Yeah.
Here.
No, not
No, here.
report. First report, yeah, the here.
Condition. Condition. Yes. Browse. Shape folders. Train. Wait. Train. Okay. First one is week. Test. Okay. Second section. Condition. Okay. Okay. Can you save it?
Yeah, save it and run it.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
I think I have to switch the names. I give exactly opposite. First should be weekly, I guess. Otherwise, like it is not. Oh, yeah, it has come.
This is working, but the thing is that the report name you have given wrong for second one. Which is not working?
Quarterly.
Only sales detail report is not working.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let us go to the intermediate report. Why it's not working? That is intermediate report 1 or 2?
Two. Quarterly something I'm sure.
That is weekly, yeah?
No, 1 second. This one.
Which one? Can you open it?
So quarterly sales detail is equal to 0.
Here report name should be, what is the report name should be? Detailed, right? Sales detail report.
Weekly.
Only sales detail report, right?
Only. Yeah. No, it is same.
See, here your report is different actually. You come here and see. The value you are passing is only sales detail report.
No, quarterly.
Sorry, quarterly sales detail report, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
Maybe week 2 is not there. That's why.
Week 2 is there actually, otherwise it will not come in prompt, right?
Oh yeah. Correct. Mm,
What I am thinking is something is wrong with prompt values and these values is not matching at all.
No, it's weekly report 1. I just copy pasted it, so it should be correct.
Quarterly sales ETA really detailed. Report. Then okay, let me see that prompt or what is that? Where is the other report that is? Can you open that report one more time?
Which one? Quarterly
Hmm.
or intermediate?
Quarterly. Intermediate report
Okay.
or quarterly.
Yeah. Fiscal quarter ID. We should give week.
That is what you have done wrong.
I'll delete and do it. I have to delete the this one, right?
Right.
Okay. Yes.
Getting it right?
Yes.
Cool. Guys, you guys understand right now?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, fine. This is what today's class is. Like now we have learned this presentation variable. Now we have learned the repository variables. Only pending is session variables. Okay, let me go through the topics what we have covered so far. We have covered the connection pool entities, right? What the connection pool username, password, data source name, and what is the timeout, the connection properties, and we have covered this what is the physical tables, how to import the physical tables, and we have covered the physical joins, how to import the create the joins. We have covered the logical tables and logical joins, how to create the multiple LTSs like aggregated sources. We use it 3 LTSs like logical facts. We have covered up to like creating the hierarchies, right?
Yeah.
We have covered like how to create the time series measures like a year ago,
Mm.
right? And we have covered what we have covered how to build the reports. We have covered how to rename the column names in the presentation and PM layer, and we have covered how to check the errors like consistency levels and how we have to drill it down, and we have covered the reports like views, different views like a table, PO, chart, and column selector, view selector, and narrative, right? We have covered the dashboard prompts. We have covered dashboard objects. Now we have covered finally presentation variables. These are the topics. It is completed actually. Please concentrate on it and do practice, please.
Venkat, you said you'll send the previous recorded sessions because in case we don't remember any steps.
Yeah, previous record sessions are there, but the thing is that its size is very heavy. I'm not understanding how to send it out.
Venkat, can we ask Bharat to get a shared drive on Google and
Yeah, I was asking couple of times. Yeah, he was telling that he'll give it. That's it.
What about oh yeah, in YouTube also it's very happy.
Pardon?
On YouTube also it's very happy to upload, I think.
Yeah, but let me see it actually. One more time, I'll talk to Bharat actually. We'll take some. Otherwise, let me do it one thing. Let me give it some the like sessions like that is covered by the Oracle. Step by step, actually, there is some video is there. We have taken the video. Then I'll just give the video to you. Like it can be uploaded, downloaded from this link itself. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what like how to create time series measures, how to create physical joints, how to create RPD, this kind of things actually which is already there. Let me find it out the links and send it to you. Okay.
Yeah, because like the views and the dashboard, static and dynamic, right? We did not practice. You just told us. So those things we might need to just watch it one more time.
Yeah, sure, we'll do that. Okay, and if you are okay, then you just carry on with this practice sessions. Otherwise, I hope all of you have the installations, right?
Yeah.
Every time we are bothering Deepthi to use our system. If you are free, feel free actually just practice yourself. If you have any doubts, then you just have a group discussion. Still you feel doubt, just come to me.
Okay.
Cool?
Venkat, do
Yeah.
you have few minutes?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I have problem creating RPD. So
Creating RPD.
yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Let us create here itself and show to you.
it's some problem with my setup.
Okay. Then send me your team your IDs, then I'll connect it for you.
Okay.
Let it be in this call and we'll just connect to Teja's mission and just see that actually what's the problem over there. You might be useful for you as well. Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Thank you.
I hope a lot of people doesn't understand much in this class, right? The people are not active.
To be frank, I got maybe 50% of what we did step by step thing. This is BJ.
Okay.
But I'm recording the whole thing. So I'm gonna go over it, one more time and then practice it, follow step by step. So
Cool. And
I've started recording from today.
thanks, sir. And what about Bipin?
Yeah, I've been recording sessions since last week.
Oh, you are recording since last 2 weeks?
No, I mean from the last session.
From the
I've
last
been,
session you are recording, right?
yeah.
Okay. What about Yubang already left the call, I think so.
Teja, your team, your ID.
yeah, I'm sending my password. Mm. I'm not sure how it will respond. It is on my VMware.
No, it's really interesting.
Anyone able to connect to Teja mission?
I think everybody can. Really?
Someone is able to connect.
Me.
Okay.
Even I am also in progress to connect. Yeah, connected. Okay. And if you
1 second, I'll just text.
thanks. Yeah. What happened? I'm not able to view this. Okay, fine. Offline.